Upbeat music plays. Cut to a brightly lit kitchen with both products on display. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make the best purchases without burning a hole in your pocket. Today, we're diving deep into the world of mops. Yes, mops. We're comparing the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop on the left and the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop on the right. This is a mop showdown, so grab your popcorn, or maybe a mop, who knows, and let's get cleaning. First up, the price. The Shark comes in at a cool $149, while the Bissell is slightly pricier at $154. Reviewers appreciate that the Shark is budget-friendly and effective, making it a popular choice for those looking to save. However, the Bissell is praised for its performance and versatility, making it a worthy investment for pet owners. If you're on a budget, the Shark takes this round, but if you're looking to splurge a little for pet-friendly cleaning, the Bissell is your mop. Next, let's talk about functionality. The Shark heats up in about 30 seconds, providing a steam clean without harsh chemicals, which many users love. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness on various surfaces, especially for removing dirt and grease. On the other hand, the Bissell is cordless and powered by an 18 volts lithium-ion battery, allowing for easy maneuverability. Users enjoy its on-demand spray feature for tackling stubborn messes, although some have mentioned a short battery life of about 30 minutes. Overall, Bissell has a slight edge in functionality due to its cordless freedom. Now, let's talk about floor compatibility. The Shark is designed for sealed hard floors and is praised for its ability to leave floors gleaming. Reviewers mention its effectiveness on wood, tile, and linoleum. Similarly, the Bissell is safe for sealed hard floors and is noted for its ability to handle tough, sticky messes effectively. Both products receive positive feedback in this category. But if you frequently deal with sticky situations, Bissell might be the better choice. Let's talk accessories. The Shark comes with a steam pocket mop but lacks additional accessories. In contrast, the Bissell is packed with 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, and 2 trial-size PET multi-surface formulas, making it a versatile option. Reviewers love the variety and convenience of the Bissell's accessories, while the Shark is noted for its straightforward design. If you love options, Bissell takes this one hands down. In summary, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is highly praised for its affordability, effectiveness, and ease of use without harsh chemicals. Reviewers love its steam cleaning capabilities, especially for various surfaces. On the other hand, the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Mop is celebrated for its cordless convenience and powerful cleaning for pet owners, although some users express concerns about the battery life. Ultimately, both mops have their strengths and cater to different cleaning needs. So which mop takes the crown? If you're after a budget-friendly, steam-powered cleaning machine, the Shark is your best bet. But if you want cordless freedom, powerful spinning pads, and to save some pets while you clean, then Bissell is your mop mate. Ultimately, it comes down to your cleaning style. Thanks for joining us today on this mop-tastic adventure. If you enjoyed this comparison, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart.